is for asparagus. Asparagus tall and green, growing in the garden scene. B is for broccoli. Broccoli looks like a tree, healthy for you and me. C is for carrot. Carrot orange, long and bright, crunchy, tasty, a healthy bite. D is for daikon. Daikon white and long to see, growing happy in the field with glee. E is for eggplant. Eggplant shiny purple too, a yummy veggie just for you. F is for fennel. Fennel grows with leaves so fine, in the garden it does shine. G is for garlic. Garlic grows beneath the ground, tiny cloves all gathered round. H is for horseradish. Horseradish grows in garden rows, healthy where the sunshine glows. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce, crisp and green, one of the freshest ever seen. J is for jalapeno. Jalapeno, green and small, growing proudly, standing tall. K is for kale. Kale is leafy, fresh and green, one of the healthiest ever seen. L is for leek. Leek grows tall with leaves so neat, a garden veggie, nice to eat. M is for mushroom. Mushroom grows where it's cool and damp, like a tiny garden lamp. N is for Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage, fresh and bright, growing in the morning light. O is for onion. Onion round beneath the ground, a tasty veggie all around. P is for pea. Peas grow in a little pod, a garden gift from nature's sod. Q is for quinoa leaves. Quinoa leaves, green and bright, growing happily in sunlight. R is for radish. Radish red and round to see, a crunchy snack for you and me. S is for spinach. Spinach leafy, fresh and green, one of the healthiest ever seen. T is for tomato. Tomato red and juicy too, a garden favorite just for you. U is for ubi. Ubi purple, sweet and bright, growing strong in sunlight. V is for velvet bean. Velvet bean grows on a vine, twisted twisting gently, looking fine. W is for watercress. Watercress grows by water, clear, fresh and healthy all the year. X is for soconossel. Soconossel grows on cactus, bright, a special veggie in sunlight. Y is for yam. Yam grows under the ground below, a tasty root we love to know. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini green and nice to eat, a garden veggie, fresh and sweet.